This welcome gives me the energy to believe that change will be for Kaberamaido. I have seen a lot. And I think as a people we've been through a lot. And it is up to us to make the difference. I am confident we can make that difference. But as for Akena, I am going to make that difference. What about the Tikan? My coming to Kaberamaido today is to test the ground and also to make my intentions very clear. I want to stand for president. President of Uganda. I want to know whether the people of Kaberamaido want to support me for president. To those who support, show me your hands. Are you? You see, there are people. There are people.
Madame la Chaussière.
Okay, thank you very much.
Another leaders. The district chairperson of the city chairperson of Lira City. Chairperson of Lira City
I am there with you. I am not going to retreat and I am not going to surrender. I thank you for this welcome.
Are you busy? Are you busy? Apoyo uno sana.
Kumam nyai.
Check. Aha. Bas, aduang ini. Aju. Chingu mala beranen kong jamana kena. Yo, you busy?
There are some very important matters which have been raised. Let me first relay part of my own story. I got my first animal, a cow, a young bull, in 1980. I was campaigning for UPC. I was still a young boy, about 13 years. But deep in the campaign, I was in Kalaki and I was given a bull. But I didn't know how I was going to take it. I was in a small car. A Datsun 160J SSS. The registration was UWO 532. The driver was also called Odongo. He used to be attached to Wandega police. The reason I give that detail is because for me it is as real as it was yesterday. I cannot forget that animal. The way it was black, the way it moved with the hump, I knew that animal inside out. When I took it home to my village, my grandmother gave me 2 cows to keep it company. Now during the campaign of 1980, I got 10 more animals from surrounding. So before election of 1980, Jimmy Akena, a 13-year-old boy, had 13 animals. So when people talk about the animals which were lost, I lost animals. And even me, they keep telling me they're going to give me, they're going to pay us, they have not paid. But I'm tired of waiting. Therefore, me, I've decided to do certain things. I am going to start by repairing the deep tank which my father built. That is. But as I look around, I have to ask the question, who is going to make Uganda better? Thank you for that confidence. Move forward in bitterness. We're going to move forward in the hope of a better Uganda. And let us sell that vision of a better Uganda. There are many young people who do not know the value of owning cattle. We shall teach them. And the only way we shall teach them is when there's cattle around in Kaberamaido. For me, I'm not talking about the promises of NRM. Because NRM have promised, but they have never delivered. As UPC, our politics is about the people of Uganda. So but many of the things he put together for Uganda are still standing. And most importantly, the dream he had for the people of Uganda is very much alive. I'm one of those carrying the dream. Where you see the UPC candidates, they're also carrying the same dream. And we're going to make that dream come true. So once again, thank you very much for this welcome. Our own eyes. Akena is standing. Are you? Oh.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.